Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well, and today we are going to take a look at another kata from the Codewars. So the name of the kata is Your Order Please, and the difficulty level is number 6, which is not too bad. So let's take a look at the instruction. Your task is to sort a given string. Each word in contain a single number. This number is the position the word should have as the result. The numbers can be from 1 to 9, so 1 will be the first word, not 0. If the input string is empty, return an empty string. The words in the input string will contain valid consecutive numbers. Alright, so we need to return a string of words ordered by the numbers that are in those words. Alright, so let's take a look. Oops, not this. Let's take a look what we can do. So first thing I would like to do is to create a list of digits. So let's do digits equals list of digits. So now I would like to check every character of the sentence for character in sentence, for character in sentence, If the character is digit, we are going to append it, digits dot append, okay, and we're going to append this character. So now we should have a list of all the digits that we have in this string. So now what I would do, I would go through every word and check if what kind of digits we have in those words. But first let's do this. Let's loop through the digits first for digits. No, for digit. In digits, we'll do what? We'll loop through for word in sentence dot split, because we don't want to loop through the characters anymore. We want to loop through the whole words. So that's why we do this split function, which returns a list, comma separated list with each word in it. So, and then we'll check, actually in digits it should be sorted digits, for digit in sorted digits, because we need it sorted. So then what we need to do, we need to find those words that have the digits in the right, and add them to our string in the right sequence. So now we'll do what? We'll actually to send, let's create a string. So let's do let's check if digit in word. So we are checking if this digit is in somewhere in this word. We will add it to our string, which is to send. So to send equals to send plus this dot join, and we are going to join word and to send, because we also need to add spaces to there. So we are going to do it to send plus to send. We add a space, and that should actually do, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that should do. Let's check now. Return to send. Alright, so let's grab an input and check if it works. So we are grabbing an input now, and let's see if it works. Return to send, and let's do order. Let's input, let's check the input and see if it returns what we need. print. Alright, let's check now. So this is the test. This is a test. Okay, yeah, it looks like it works. Let's test it now. Let's copy this. Let's go to the code words and let's no paste. Doesn't work. Let's try again. I know it is sometimes pretty hard to get it in there. Alright, so let's test now. Why doesn't it work? This is a test should equal this is well, it returns the same. Oh, it returns it with a space. We need to right strip or strip, right? Now it should work. Now it should work. So basically, why it didn't work? Because we added a space after the last word, so it returned the string with a space. It should return just a string with without the space at the end. So that's probably why it didn't work. Let's test now. Yep, now it works. Let's attempt and hopefully, finger crossed, it will work. Yep, it worked. So this is not the greatest solution. I think it could be a little bit it could be put in a little bit less of lines. I think that a lot of people will probably did it in like 2-3 lines. But what is good about this code that it's pretty readable. So it's not hard to read this, and I guess everybody will be able to understand what exactly is going on in this code. So let's try and submit this and see what are the other solutions we have. Alright, so let's see. It takes a little while to submit this code. I'm just curious if somebody did it in one line. Yep, there is one liners. Let's take a look. Split so they use the lambda functions, which makes the code less readable. I mean, we could do that as well, but we didn't do that to make the code more readable, so it's easier for you guys to understand what's going on in there. And actually it's easier for me as well. It's easier to write regular code than thinking about how to really do it a one-liner. Alright, thank you for your attention, guys. I hope that maybe for some of you this video was helpful. This is not by any means for some more advanced programmers. Obviously they know their way around much better than me. So I hope you have a good day. Thank you.